You know that feeling when you spend hours tweaking designs, searching for templates, and still don't get the look you want? There has to be a better way. And that's exactly what we're exploring today. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Folks, in this video, I'll show you how CapCut AI design can transform your workflow. One prompt and one image is all it takes to start creating stunning visuals. You can produce anything from a quick Instagram post to a full marketing campaign in seconds. No templates, no complicated editing, and no wasted hours. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So, let's jump in and see what this AI powerhouse is all about. Alright, let's see how AI designed by CapCut can make your life simpler. Even if you have never used a graphic editor before, this tool makes creating professional visuals effortless. It transforms your text descriptions into ready-to-use visuals. Imagine typing a few words and instantly getting dozens of unique design options. Today, my friends, we'll create several projects in under 10 minutes. I uploaded photos of handmade jewelry to make an Instagram post. With AI design, it's much faster than using Photoshop or Canva. You don't have to spend time searching for templates or adjusting every element manually. Plus, you can get inspiration from other CapCut designs and reuse some ideas. I create my project and click Send. The system reads the design brief, understands the required text and images, and generates multiple design options. Here are the results: nature's artistry, handcrafted elegance, treasures from the earth, and timeless and natural. All options look amazing. These are ready-to-use designs for my handmade jewelry Instagram post. This tool makes professional visuals accessible to everyone. No design experience needed. Next, guys, we'll explore another AI design feature: lifestyle content. This shows products in real-life situations, not just simple product images. It's a game changer for marketing. Imagine showing how people actually use your energy drink. Normally, you'd need photographers, models, and rented locations. That costs thousands and takes weeks. AI design can generate realistic scenes in under a minute. I'll use the Product in Hand module to show my drink in people's hands in everyday situations. Instead of designing a post, I describe real-life scenarios. CapCut creates photorealistic live scenes automatically, producing stunning results without professional photoshoots. In the first scene, a woman in a gym holds a drink after her workout. Gym equipment, sportswear, as well as natural lighting make it look like a fitness magazine shot. In the next scene, a student or gamer sits at a computer with the drink on the desk. Cozy evening lighting creates a focused, realistic atmosphere, perfect for gamers or students. Finally, in a morning run through a city park, someone pauses to take a sip of the drink, and the sunrise lights up the background. Golden hour lighting captures energy and motion perfectly. Each pro photo could cost hundreds to produce, but AI does it in 20 seconds. These images work for Instagram, websites, ads, or presentations. This smart tool doesn't just create a design, but also generates a full photo shoot for your brand, saving you time and money. In this example, we'll create a set of promotional posters using CapCut's product poster set for Din Dan energy drinks. This is perfect for e-commerce campaigns. Think Black Friday, seasonal sales, or a product launch. You need a series of coordinated visuals for different platforms: Facebook ads, Instagram stories, website banners, or digital billboards. Normally, a designer creates one version and adapts it, which takes hours or even days. This tool can generate the whole series in one step. We upload the Din Dan can and write a prompt for the campaign. It includes colors, formats, and promotional requirements. CapCut generates the posters quickly. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Check this out. The smart tool created a full set of professional marketing visuals. The first poster is a classic product shot with 50% off and a pink Shop Now button. The second poster has a diagonal layout with blue neon accents and the product at a dramatic angle. The third shows the product with 50% off, and the fourth is a Black Friday website banner. Alternative landscape versions are ready for different platforms. All posters are visually consistent, using the same colors, typography, and mood. A designer would take days aligning each element. Artificial intelligence does it in about 30 seconds. You can download the full set right away, and boom, you have a ready-to-use marketing campaign. Alright, my friends, that's a wrap. CapCut's AI design isn't just a design tool. It's like having a full creative team ready to generate high-quality visuals in seconds. From Instagram posts to full marketing campaigns, CapCut saves time, money, and headaches. What I love most is how accessible it makes design. You don't need years of experience or complicated software skills. Just a prompt, an image, and a little creativity. Click the link in the description to get your 7-day free pro version and start creating your next viral designs today. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.